Today we have a kitchen science experiment kit. It has 6 experiments inside, but today we're going to do the kitchen volcano. So let's open our box and see what kind of volcano things we have inside. So to start, we have our instruction manual that has all of our science experiments listed. I'm going to turn to the page for our tabletop volcano that has all of the instructions that we need. So first we have all of our supplies. We have our tabletop volcano, which is what this will erupt out of. We have our vinegar, our baking soda, red food coloring to make our volcano the right color, our teaspoon to measure out all of our ingredients, and a little bit of Dawn dish soap so that we can make this really bubble. Hakeem, do you want to help Mommy put in the baking soda? Take the baking soda. Let's put it inside here. Let's get it down in there. One more. One more. Dump it in there. Good job. Now, let's add our red food coloring. Can you help me? A couple drops. All right. Let's put in the soap for the bubbles. Can you help Mommy? All right. Now, ready? Are we ready? Dump it. Whoa! His feet are yucky, aren't they? His feet are yucky, aren't they? Thanks for watching Kitchen Volcanoes with One Big World. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos, and leave us a comment below to let us know what you think.